This is MadDogsTrains.com. Finished up a couple more items this weekend. This is one of our kits that are available. Everything but the pole basically comes with all the connectors, transformer, hardware, wireless remote. A button turns the unit on, B button the bell. A button if you have the B on, shuts the bell off, or hit the B, you turn the bell off. And then this is the most popular ones lately. It's a 12 volt bell, 6-inch size. We have it wired up for the Garden Railroads 7.5, 7 scales, the quarter scales. All these are available at MadDogsTrains.com. Thank you.